Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing you a spicy and a flavorful dish that's perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. It's Schezwan chicken and cauliflower fried rice. This dish is packed with amazing flavors thanks to the Schezwan sauce and a variety of aromatic spices. Plus, it's a great way to sneak some veggies. We have got a tender chicken, crunchy cauliflower, fragrant rice and a homemade Schezwan sauce that will kick things up, and it's all about balancing the flavors. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, do share my recipes with your friends and family so they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan add oil, then add 3 cups cauliflower florets, add some salt to taste and fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, half tablespoon Schezwan sauce, 1 stock cube, and fry this until cauliflower is nice and soft and cooked. If you want to know how to make Schezwan sauce, then check the link in the description below for the recipe. Once the cauliflower is cooked, then leave it aside to use it later. Then in the same pan, add oil, add 5 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, 2 green chili chopped, and fry this for few seconds. Then add 350 grams chicken cocktail sausages and fry the sausages for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 2 onion chopped, add handful of spring onion white and fry this until onion is nice and soft. Then add 3 bell peppers cut in small cubes and fry it until the bell peppers are nice and soft. Then add the cooked cauliflower and give this a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 2 tablespoons Schezwan sauce. Check the link in the description below for the recipe. Then fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the vegetables nicely cook in the sauce. Then add 1 large bowl cooked basmati rice and then fry the rice for about 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to fry the rice on a high flame. Then add some spring onion green and give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, our delicious Schezwan chicken and cauliflower fried rice is ready to serve. The combination of tender chicken, crunchy cauliflower and the spicy Schezwan sauce makes it a truly satisfying meal. It's absolutely delicious recipe. I hope you will give this recipe a try at home. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.